everybody and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I did a set of Flexi press tips. I used the coffin shaped Flexi press tips, but I did shorten them because I didn't want them quite as long. They're the long coffin style ones and I didn't want them that long. So anyway, I've shortened those and I wanted to showcase some of the new gel polishes from Miss You Beauty. So the collection that we have is Clover, and I have Clover 2, Clover 3 and Clover 5. It's the new collection and these are the ones that I have, and I really wanted to do something with those. So yeah, this is the design that I created and I'll show you how I did it. So, as always with Flexi Press tips, I just file the underside of that nail just to make sure that it adheres to my nail properly, and I'm just buffing the cuticle area to make sure that that is not as thick, so it is, so it fits nicely. So I'm just placing down a layer of base coat and I cure that for 30 seconds. Then I'm going in with a layer of my strengthener, and I don't cure that yet. I pop a layer on the underside of the nail and I don't cure that yet. So I lay the nail down onto my nail and hold it in place. And then I get my little torch, my LED torch, just to give it a flash cure. And then I cure it in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. So on the underside I place a layer of non-wipe UV gel top coat just to give it a little bit of extra strength. As you can see, I'm cutting it down here. I just didn't want them to be as long as that this time for a change. I just, So then I'll just file the edges off nicely, get rid of those corners. And I buff the nail as well. I do file around the cuticle area. I just forgot to show that to you. I do apologise. But yeah, I'm just taking away that shine off that nail so the gel polish adheres properly. So with Clover 2, I'm just going in on the thumbnail. I just wanted it to be quite plain, just for you to see how this colour actually looks, and it is pretty awesome. So I cure that in my LED lamp for 30 seconds and so on and so forth. So I'm so this collection, if you spend £60 or more in a month on the Miss You Beauty website, then you can claim 3 free gel polishes. And what they do every now and then is they release some new gel polishes, and they are in amongst the gel polishes that you can get if you have spent over £60. If you go onto the website, there's more details, but that's normally, these colours are normally released at the beginning of the month. So say if you spent money in January over £60, then at the beginning of February you were able to receive 3 gel polishes free. All you had to pay was the postage and packaging. And so this was the collection that I received. You could have got mermaid tail, I think maybe in the nude, I'm not sure. I can't really remember the other collections, but I was desperate for this one because look at that middle one. How beautiful is that? So yeah, so when it comes on the website, be ready for it, guys, because it is absolutely stunning. So I'm just putting down second coat here. I've cured the first coat for 30 seconds and I'll cure this coat for 30 seconds in my LED lamp. So then the next thing I received recently was this spider gel. I got black, silver, gold, bronze, white. I got all of the collection. I've not used the gold yet. Look at that. Beautiful. And so I then just pop down a layer of top coat and cure that for 60 seconds, in my LED lamp. So as you can see, I used the gold because I thought that really went nicely with the green and I loved it. And then I just applied some cuticle oil to that nail. I also used cocktail sticks to apply the spider gel with. It's my new favourite form of nail art. Absolutely love it to bits. So yeah, I think they've still got the gold, bronze and silver in stock, I think. So, but the black and the white has gone. I'm pretty certain of that. So check it out. And this is the design that I created. So thank you so much for watching my video this week, guys. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed it, as always, please give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and the Nail Vision app as well. New collection that I have isn't released yet. It won't be released until I think next month. So be sure to be ready for that when it's released, guys. So thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye.